Simple past tense, the art of saying no. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into an essential part of English grammar, the simple past tense. More specifically, we will focus on the formation of negative sentences in the simple past tense. This is a crucial skill that will help you express what did not happen or what someone did not do in the past. So, let's get started. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened and finished in the past. However, what if we want to talk about an action that didn't occur? This is where negative sentences come into play. The structure of negative sentences in the simple past tense is quite straightforward. We use did not, often contracted to didn't, before the base form of the verb. Remember, the base form of the verb is the same as the infinitive but without the to. Here's the structure: subject plus did not plus base form of the verb plus object. For example, I did not eat breakfast today. Or in its contracted form, I didn't eat breakfast today. Now let's look at some examples of negative sentences in the simple past tense. 1. She did not go to the party last night. 2. They didn't study for the exam. 3. We did not see the movie. Remember, even though these events are situated in the past, we always use the base form of the verb, never the past tense verb, after did not or didn't. Now it's your turn to create negative sentences in the simple past tense. Take these positive sentences and turn them into negative sentences. 1. I worked yesterday. 2. You enjoyed the concert. 3. He missed the bus. Did you manage to create the negative sentences? Here are the answers. 1. I did not work yesterday. 2. You didn't enjoy the concert. 3. He did not miss the bus. And that wraps up our lesson on the formation of negative sentences in the simple past tense. With practice, forming negative sentences in English will become second nature to you. Remember, it's all about following the structure and using did not or didn't before the base form of the verb. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Stay tuned and keep learning.